Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you stopped eating sugar for just 2 weeks? Today, we're diving into the incredible changes your body can experience, from boosted energy and glowing skin to many other surprising benefits. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable health tips. Let's kick off this sugar-free journey right now. The first benefit: improved blood sugar levels. When you cut out sugar, your blood sugar levels begin to stabilize, creating a ripple effect of positive changes throughout your body. Why does this matter? For starters, it takes significant pressure off your body's insulin production system, allowing it to function more efficiently. Over time, this reduces your risk of developing chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes, a disease that affects millions of Americans each year. But the impact doesn't stop there. Balanced blood sugar levels mean fewer energy crashes during the day, leaving you feeling more alert and focused. You may notice that mid-afternoon slump disappearing as your body begins to run on more consistent energy. Making the choice to reduce sugar might seem like a small change, but its impact on your long-term health can be profound. By giving your body the break it needs from constant sugar spikes, you're setting the foundation for a healthier, more vibrant future. And that's just the beginning. The second benefit: weight loss. Eliminating sugar from your diet sets off a powerful chain reaction that can significantly aid in weight loss. Here's how it works. When you consume sugar, your body quickly processes it into glucose, leading to a spike in blood sugar. This triggers the release of insulin, a hormone designed to manage glucose levels by storing excess sugar as fat. Over time, consistently high sugar intake can contribute to fat accumulation, particularly around your waistline, a common risk factor for health issues like obesity, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. But when you cut out sugar, your body shifts gears. Without those constant sugar spikes, insulin levels stabilize, allowing your body to access its fat reserves for energy instead of continuously storing more. Essentially, you're retraining your metabolism to work more efficiently. What's more, removing sugar often leads to reduced cravings for high-calorie, nutrient-poor foods, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit. You'll likely notice that your appetite becomes more balanced, helping you make healthier food choices without feeling deprived. Beyond weight loss, this shift also reduces the risk of visceral fat buildup, the dangerous type of fat that surrounds your organs and increases the likelihood of metabolic diseases. And as an added bonus, you may experience improved energy levels, better sleep, and enhanced overall health, all of which support your weight management journey. So if you're looking for a straightforward yet highly effective way to shed those extra pounds and protect your long-term health, cutting out sugar is a game changer. It's not just about losing weight, it's about reclaiming your body's natural ability to thrive. The third benefit: boosted energy levels. Imagine a day where you don't experience that mid-morning or afternoon energy crash, a day where your focus remains sharp and your body feels consistently energized from sunrise to sunset. That's what cutting out sugar can do for you. When you consume sugar, your body experiences a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a sharp drop as insulin kicks in to process the glucose. This roller coaster effect leaves you feeling sluggish, fatigued, and craving more sugar to regain that fleeting energy boost. It's a vicious cycle that can drain your vitality and impair your focus. By eliminating sugar, you break free from this cycle. Without those sugar highs and lows, your body begins to rely on more stable energy sources, such as fat and complex carbohydrates. These provide a steady release of energy, ensuring that you feel alert and capable throughout the day. What's even more exciting is how this newfound energy impacts other areas of your life. With a stable energy supply, your productivity increases, your mood improves, and you're more likely to engage in activities like exercise, which further enhances your overall well-being. Additionally, removing sugar reduces inflammation in the body, which can otherwise contribute to feelings of fatigue and sluggishness. Over time, you'll notice that your mind feels clearer, your stamina improves, and your ability to handle daily challenges grows stronger. Cutting out sugar isn't just about avoiding energy crashes, it's about unlocking a level of vitality that helps you live life to the fullest. you'll feel more energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way, day after day. The fourth benefit, enhanced mood stability. Did you know that sugar can wreak havoc on your mood? While a sugary treat might offer a temporary pick-me-up, the long-term effects are far from sweet. By cutting sugar from your diet, you can unlock a more balanced, positive emotional state throughout the day. Here's why. Consuming sugar causes a spike in blood sugar, which initially triggers the release of feel-good chemicals like serotonin. However, this is quickly followed by a sharp drop in blood sugar levels, leaving you feeling irritable, anxious, or fatigued. These rapid shifts can create a roller coaster effect on your emotions, making it difficult to maintain a steady and calm mindset. When you eliminate sugar, your body and brain begin to stabilize. Without the constant spikes and crashes, your mood becomes more consistent, allowing you to feel calmer and more in control. Additionally, reducing sugar intake has been linked to lower levels of inflammation in the body, a factor that's increasingly recognized as a contributor to depression and anxiety. But there's more. Removing sugar often leads to better gut health, which directly impacts your mental well-being. The gut and brain are deeply connected through the gut-brain axis, and a healthier gut microbiome can lead to increased production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, often called the happiness hormone. This can further improve your emotional resilience and overall sense of well-being. By saying goodbye to sugar, you're not just stabilizing your energy levels, you're creating the foundation for a more positive and peaceful mental state. You may find that you feel less reactive to stress, more optimistic, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. It's a small dietary shift with profound effects on how you feel, think, and interact with the world around you. The fifth benefit, healthier, more radiant skin. Did you know that the sugar you consume can significantly impact the health and appearance of your skin? While it's easy to overlook the connection, cutting sugar from your diet can lead to visible and transformative improvements in your complexion. Here's how it works. When you eat sugar, it triggers a process called glycation, where excess sugar molecules bind to proteins like collagen and elastin. These proteins are essential for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Glycation damages them, leading to a loss of elasticity, premature wrinkles, and a dull complexion. In fact, high sugar consumption has been directly linked to acne, inflammation, and other skin conditions. By reducing or eliminating sugar, you give your skin a chance to heal and rejuvenate. With less glycation occurring, collagen and elastin can function more effectively, resulting in firmer, more youthful-looking skin. You may also notice a reduction in breakouts and inflammation, as cutting sugar helps to regulate hormone levels and reduce skin irritation. Another important factor is hydration. Consuming sugar can dehydrate your skin, making it appear dry and tired. When you reduce sugar intake, your skin retains moisture better, leading to a softer and more glowing appearance. And the benefits don't stop at aesthetics. Healthier skin is also a sign of better overall health. A balanced, sugar-free diet supports your body's natural detoxification processes, ensuring that toxins are flushed out effectively. This internal balance reflects on your skin, which becomes clearer and more vibrant over time. So if you're looking for a natural way to achieve that coveted glow, the answer might lie in your diet. By cutting sugar, you're not only improving your skin's health, but also enhancing your confidence and radiance from the inside out. It's a beauty secret worth sharing and sticking to. The sixth benefit, reduced risk of chronic diseases. One of the most profound and long-term advantages of cutting sugar from your diet is its ability to significantly reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. These conditions have become alarmingly prevalent in modern society, with diet playing a major role in their development. When you consume excessive amounts of sugar, your body's ability to process and regulate it becomes compromised. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, where your cells stop responding effectively to insulin. Insulin is crucial for managing blood sugar levels, and when the body can't regulate it properly, blood sugar spikes occur, eventually leading to type 2 diabetes. By cutting out sugar, you relieve your body from the constant strain of high insulin production, giving your cells the opportunity to function more effectively and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. But the benefits extend beyond just diabetes. Excessive sugar intake is a major contributing factor to the development of heart disease. High sugar consumption has been linked to increased blood pressure, inflammation, and unhealthy fat buildup around the organs, key risk factors for heart disease. When you reduce sugar in your diet, you lower your chances of developing these conditions, effectively safeguarding your cardiovascular health. Moreover, cutting sugar helps to reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Inflammation is often called the silent killer, as it plays a role in the development of various diseases, including cancer, arthritis, and Alzheimer's. A high sugar diet contributes to inflammation, while reducing sugar helps the body to lower it, promoting overall health and longevity. By eliminating sugar, you're not just making a dietary change, you're making an investment in your long-term health. It's one of the most powerful ways to protect yourself from the chronic diseases that threaten millions of lives every year. The impact is not just felt in the moment, but echoes throughout your entire life, contributing to better heart health, balanced blood sugar levels, and a stronger immune system. It's a simple step that can dramatically enhance the quality and longevity of your life. The seventh benefit, improved oral health. When it comes to maintaining a healthy smile, most people know that brushing and flossing are essential. But there's another key factor that often gets overlooked: sugar. Believe it or not, sugar is one of the primary culprits behind dental decay and other oral health issues. By cutting back on sugar, you're taking an important step toward protecting your teeth, gums, and overall oral hygiene. Here's why sugar has such a significant impact on your dental health. When you consume sugary foods and drinks, the bacteria in your mouth feed on the sugar, producing acids as a byproduct. These acids erode your tooth enamel, the hard outer layer that protects your teeth from decay. Over time, this can lead to cavities, gum disease, and other dental problems. Additionally, sugary foods can cause plaque buildup, which can further exacerbate oral health issues. By reducing your sugar intake, you reduce the amount of fuel the harmful bacteria in your mouth have to thrive on. This leads to less plaque formation and fewer acidic attacks on your enamel, significantly lowering your risk of cavities and tooth decay. Plus, with less sugar to feed those bacteria, you're also decreasing the likelihood of bad breath, ensuring your smile stays fresh and confident. But that's not all. Cutting sugar can also improve your gum health. Excessive sugar consumption is linked to inflammation, which can lead to gum disease, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. By cutting back on sugar, you're helping to reduce this inflammation, promoting healthier gums and a more stable foundation for your teeth. So by eliminating sugar from your diet, you're not only improving your overall health, but also ensuring that your smile stays as bright and healthy as possible. Protecting your teeth and gums doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Simply reducing your sugar intake can go a long way in maintaining your oral health and keeping your smile shining. It's a simple, effective strategy to safeguard your teeth for years to come. The eighth benefit, enhanced taste sensitivity. Imagine rediscovering the true, vibrant flavors of the foods you eat. Fruits, vegetables, and even simple grains becoming more delicious and satisfying than ever before. This is one of the often overlooked benefits of cutting out sugar from your diet, a heightened sensitivity to taste, allowing you to truly enjoy the natural flavors of wholesome, nutritious foods. Here's how it works. When we consume a lot of sugar, our taste buds become conditioned to crave overly sweet flavors. This leads to a desensitization to the more subtle, naturally occurring tastes in food. For example, fruits and vegetables, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, may seem bland or unsweet because the overpowering sweetness of processed foods has hijacked our taste perception. This is why many people find it challenging to enjoy healthy foods without the added sweetness of sugar. However, once you eliminate sugar, your taste buds begin to recalibrate. Without the constant bombardment of sugary flavors, you begin to notice the nuanced sweetness of fruits like apples, berries, and oranges, or the earthy flavors of leafy greens and other vegetables. Your palate becomes more refined, and you start to appreciate the natural taste of whole, unprocessed foods in a way that you might not have before. This renewed sensitivity to taste can have a profound impact on your eating habits. As you begin to enjoy the natural sweetness of fruits and the full range of flavors in vegetables, you'll find yourself craving healthier, more nutrient-dense foods. The appeal of sugary snacks and processed foods diminishes, and you naturally gravitate toward meals that fuel your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Not only does this make eating more enjoyable, but it also encourages you to make healthier choices every day. With your taste buds more attuned to the flavors of whole foods, you may find yourself seeking out fresh, seasonal produce or experimenting with new recipes that highlight the natural goodness of food. In short, cutting sugar allows you to reconnect with the authentic tastes of food, and in doing so, transforms your eating experience. You'll be more likely to choose nourishing, whole foods, leading to better overall health and a more balanced, satisfying relationship with food. It's a small change that can completely shift the way you experience and enjoy eating. Isn't it amazing? However, it's important to remember that every body responds differently, so be sure to listen to yours. If you have any health concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a doctor before making changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your experiences in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Wishing you good health and happiness always.